Hello and welcome once again. Again I am here in front of you with another video. Today, before starting our class, let us revise all the O sound words. So all of you please say the sound, say the words with me in a loud voice so that I can hear you. Okay, say loudly. Say with me. R-E-R, V-E-V, Sh-E-O-N-Shan, revision. Off, O means O, Sa-A-U-N-A-D, sound. Sa-A-U-N-A-D, sound. Va-A-R-A-D-S, words. Revision of O sound words. Say with me once again. Revision of O sound words. Now, tell me, what is the sound of O? I am waiting. Tell me. Very good. The sound of O is O. The sound of O is O. Say with me once again. The sound of O is O. Very good. Now, let us revise the words. Say, O, D, odd. O, D, odd. Va-a-ra-d-s, words. Va-a-ra-d-s, words. Odd words. Ka-o-d, cod. Say again. Ka-o-d, cod. Pa-o-d, pod. Pa-o-d, pod. Ga-o-d, god. Ga-o-d, god. Ra-o-d, rod. Ra-o-d, rod. Na-o-d, nod. Na-o-d, nod. So, let us say it once more. Odd words. Ka-o-d, cod. Pa-o-d, pod. Ga-o-d, god. Ra-o-d, rod. Na-o-d, nod. Very good. Now let us read ought words. Say with me louder so that I can hear you. Ought, ought. Ought, ought. Va-a-ra-d-s, words. Ought words. Ought words. Ka-ought, cot. Ka-ought, cot. D-ought, dot. D-ought, dot. Ha-ought, hot. Ha-ought, hot. La-ought, lot. La-ought, lot. Pa-ought, pot. Pa-ought, pot. Now say it once again with me. Ought words. Ought words. Ka-ought, cot. Da-ought, dot. Ha-ought, hot. La-ought, lot. Pa-ought, pot. Now let's start ought words. Say with me. Say it loudly. O, pa, o. O, pa, o. Va-a-ra-d-s, words. O, words. Ta-o-p, top. Ta-o-p, top. Ma-o-p, mop. Ma-o-p, mop. Ha-o-p, hop. pop. Pa, a, pop. Pop. Now say it once again. Words. Ta, a, pa. Top. Ma, a, pa. Mop. Ha, a, pa. Hop. Ka, a, pa. Cop. Pa, a, pa. Pop. Now, let us say og words. Say with me loudly. Og, 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 wa, ra, da, sa. Words. Og, words. Da, og, dog. Da, og, dog. Ja, og, jog. Ja, og, jog. Ha, og, hog. Ha, og, hog. La, og, log. La, og, log. Fa, og, fog. Fa, og, fog. Again say it with me. Og, words. Da, og, dog. Ja, og, jog. Ha, og, hog. La, og, log. Fa, og, fog. I hope you all have learned these words. In this way, you will say loudly and you will mug up all the words. Okay? So, let's start our next class. So, let us do fill in the blanks now. You know fill in the blanks? I taught you previously, right? Did you remember that? Yes, very good. So, today we are going to do fill in the blanks with O sound words. Before that, let us read the heading. F-I-double-L. Fill. Read with me everyone. F-I-double-L. Fill. I-N. In. T-H-E. The. B-L-A-N-K-S. Blanks. Fill in the blanks. So we have to fill it up. Okay. So let us do it quickly. Number 1. What is written over here? Ha, aw, dash. Which alphabet I should put here so that I can make a word? Can you tell me? Please tell me. I am waiting. I forgot. Please tell me. Let me remember. If I put here ha, aw, ta. So, it becomes ha, aw, ta, hot. Nice. Next. Number 2. Da, dash, ga. So, which alphabet I should put here? Can you tell me? Please, all of you tell me. I am waiting. I am waiting for your answer. Tell me. Yes? Yes, very good. It will be da, aw, ga. Very good. I am proud of you. Next, number 3. Dash, aw, pa. What will be the alphabet? Tell me. Dash, aw, pa. Aw. So, if I write here ka, it becomes ka, aw, pa. Cup. Ka, aw, pa. Cup. Next, number 4. Ga, dash, da. What should I write here? Can you tell me? Yes, I am waiting. Tell me. Very good. It will be ga, aw, da, God. Say with me once again. Ga, aw, da, God. Next, number 5. La, aw, dash. Do you know I forgot what to write? Can you please help me? Yes. What should I write here? La, aw, o g, log. L o g, log. Next, let's come to number 6. K o dash. I know this. Shall I say? Or you want to say? You want to say? Okay, say. What will be the answer? K o. Yes, yes. Yes, very good. K o t. Cot. Next, ma dash pa. What will be the answer? Very good. Ma a pa. Mop. Next, number 8. Dash o d. Odd. So what we can write? Which alphabet we can write? We can write r o d. Rod. Next, number 9. J o dash. I forgot what to write. Can you please help me what to write? Yes, tell me. I can hear you. Tell me. J o dash. What will be the answer here? What will be the alphabet over here? Very good. It will be J o g. Jog. Very good. I am proud of you. J o g. Jog. Next, dash o t. Ot. Dash o t. Ot. I am showing something. Can you tell me what will be the alphabet here? See, it's a, yes, it's a pot. P o t. Pot. P o t. Pot. Very good. All of you, please do this in your copy. Okay? Again I am saying, all of you, please do this in your copy. Okay? So, up to this, thank you everyone.